Stop cleaning, start living. Tired of endless chores? What if your floors could clean themselves? This isn't just a robot vacuum, it's a cleaning revolution. Boasting a powerful 10,000 PA suction, it obliterates dirt on any surface. The FlexiArm design ensures every edge and corner is spotless. Plus, it self-washes, dries, empties, and refills. Imagine controlling your vacuum with your voice using Hello Rocky. The Roborock app offers customized cleaning and smart carpet settings. It even avoids obstacles with reactive AI. Check on your pets with interactive video calls while it cleans. Ready to reclaim your time and enjoy a spotless home? Click the link to see the Roborock Qrevo Master in action and order yours now. Experience the future of clean.